Welcome to Bill4Time's integration with NetDocuments. NetDocuments is a cloud-based document management system that provides web accessibility, individual document encryption, HIPAA compliance, and award-winning security. The NetDocuments platform provides a secure platform to create, edit, locate, collaborate on, and store documents from anywhere. And now with our integration, we provide the ability to link your documents within Bill4Time. For the integration, you'll need an account with Bill4Time in addition to a subscription with NetDocuments. The system admin for your Bill4Time account has the ability to select NetDocuments as the document storage option for the account in Settings. If you're the system admin, you'll click your name at the top of the screen, select Settings from the drop-down menu, then select Document Storage as the sub-tab, and the radio button for Use NetDocuments Storage. The integration is now complete. Please note, when first integrating your firm with NetDocs, no documents will be linked. You will need to manually link your Bill4Time projects or matters to your NetDocs files. While on the Document Storage tab in Settings, a system admin can click the blue See Users button. A window will open showing the Bill4Time users who are currently logged into NetDocuments. This view allows the admin to disconnect any user or users accessing NetDocuments through Bill4Time if needed. To disconnect a user from NetDocuments, simply check the box to the left of the user's name, then select the red Disconnect button at the bottom of the window. Please note that disconnection is a one-time disconnect and operates as a forced logout for the user. This functionality does not permanently disable NetDocuments access for the user. To disable a user in NetDocuments permanently, you will need to access NetDocuments. Once the system admin has selected NetDocuments, any Bill4Time user with a NetDocuments account can log into their account from the following locations: via the user My Profile, via the project or matter, and via document storage from the navigation bar. Via the user, you would click on your name, My Profile, select the Login button to the right of the document storage option, enter your credentials, and click Authorize. Once logged in, all documents for that user from within NetDocuments are displayed whether they are linked or not. On the upper left-hand side of the screen, you can select either Full View or Compact View. Compact View is the default. Documents can be linked via the Document Storage tab and via the Project or Matter Documents subtab. From the Project or Matter, go to the Documents subtab. To link documents, click the blue Link Documents button. This will allow Bill4Time client matter combinations to be linked with NetDocuments workspaces. A new window will pop up with clients and matters for you to review, as well as your cabinet selection. Select your cabinet first, your client, and your project. Select OK, and then OK to confirm. The following functionalities operate the same as within NetDocuments. Clicking on the document title will download the document to your computer to your default location. Clicking the gear icon to the right allows you to show a list display, which provides a list of attributes for the files for you to select. Simply check the options you would like and uncheck the options you do not want to see. You also have the ability to drag the items in the order that you would like to view them. Click OK to save your changes. While on document storage in the navigation bar, clicking the blue See All Connections button at the top of the screen provides a pop-up box with all client and matter combinations within Bill4Time that are linked to a NetDocuments workspace. From this box, you will see the Bill4Time client and matter names displayed on the left with the NetDocuments workspace name in the center. On the right will be the date it was linked with the name of the Bill4Time user who created the link. To unlink, select one or multiple rows, and then select the Unlink button at the bottom of the window. Thank you for watching the Bill4Time NetDocuments integration tutorial. Please click to continue watching for the next video in the series.